Hey guys, welcome back to Noise Fast RC. Got a short bag to show you guys. Small bag that I bought from my charger. Chevy Chevelle. Basically, it's a light kit for this car. So this particular vehicle has 4 white lights and I believe 2 red lights in the back. So I bought a light kit so I could get the lights going. I've been meaning to do this a couple of days ago, but things came up, other issues came up, so wasn't able to do it. But now I got a little bit of time where I can just see if I can install it tonight. So if you see, we got 4 light buckets up in the front and 2 in the back. Yeah, there's 2 in the back. So let me get this situated. I put this cloth there so it won't scratch the body. Problem is I don't know which ones are red, which ones are white. So I need to hook it up and see which one's red, because they're not listed on here anywhere. There's no indication which one's red, which one's white. So let me get this battery going. So yeah, I'm gonna have to open up the receiver box. So let me get that going. Stand by. Alright guys, I got it all wired up. Got the wires tied down. A little bit of wire management there. A couple of zip ties to keep it nice and clean. Put these on there so keep the wires from dangling all over the place. So yeah, I went ahead and put this adapter extension so I can plug it from the chassis, or I don't have to have it always attached to the body, to the chassis. So I just use this one, plug it in from the light, put it in there, we're good. Take it off whenever I need to without having to keep the body attached. So yeah, let me get this hooked up and see how it looks. I think it's going to look pretty awesome. So get out of the way. So yeah, just tell me what you think. There you go, guys. Awesome. So I had 2 extra lights, 2 extra red lights. So I just kind of taped them up, put them in there. Yeah, guys, look at that. Looks cool. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.